Hey Poli Glow family, I'm Len, one of the owners of Poli Glow, and today we're going to be talking about how to take care of your boat or RV or painted aluminum trailer that has Poli Glow on it. We're talking about maintenance and removal, and I just want to briefly discuss some of the products that we're going to be talking about today. So there's 4 different scenarios or situations that you may find yourself in. Number 1 is just some general cleaning. Apply Poli Glow, and throughout the year, it gets a little dirty and dusty. What do? Well, there's a couple different scenarios you might find yourself in just within that category. And the first thing you want to do just to keep it clean is use our Poli Wash product. This is a great soap. It's Poli Glow safe, it's high foaming, and it's really tough on dirt. But if you just have some spots that are dirty and you don't feel like getting the water out, and a bucket out, and your brush out, which, by the way, you want to use a soft bristled brush over Poli Glow, not a stiff bristled brush, so make sure you get a really soft one to clean it. The nice thing about having Poli Glow on there makes it easy to clean. It repels water, dirt, and grime, so you should be able to easily clean it off. However, if you don't feel like doing that, and you have maybe some water spots or some light dusting, or even a little bit of heavier dirt, you can use our waterless detailer called Poli Super Spray with our 320 GSM multi-purpose microfiber towel. Excellent product. It's waterless. It works on glass, plastic, rubber, gel coat. It's good on new gel coat, new clear coat, new boats and RVs, and it works over Poli Glow. We're going to show you how to use this product today. So those are some of our cleaning products. We also offer Poli Wash Pro, which is another wash. It's an additive to Poli Wash. Okay, you don't use it straight. It can potentially dull a new boat and RV. The gel coat on a new boat or RV that already has a beautiful shine on it. So be very careful with this product. Use 2 to 4 ounces in your Poli Wash solution. So if you put a bucket, make a bucket of Poli Wash together. If you put 2 to 3 ounces or 4 ounces in a 5-gallon pail with water, you can add 2 to 4 ounces of this to help with some dirt or some light staining that you can't get out with Poli Wash alone. So this is an additive. One of the other products I want to talk to you about today is our Poli Slick Seal. This is our spray on ceramic. So easy to use. Spray it on and wipe it in with our 320 GSM microfiber towel. It is a professional grade sealer and protector. It's got UV inhibitors in it. It is perfect for your brand new boat or RV that has a beautiful shine and you want to protect it and prevent it from oxidizing. However, it's also great over Poli Glow. If you apply Poli Glow, you can put Slick Seal over top of Poli Glow to give it added benefit. The UV inhibitors will protect Poli Glow and prevent Poli Glow from oxidizing. And because it is super slick and repels water, dirt, and grime, you're less likely to get stains. You're less likely to get bugs from adhering into the surface of your gel coat. So it's a great product to have over top of Poli Glow. Now, one of the other scenarios you might find yourself in is a scenario where you have oxidation or scratches or deeper stains that don't come out after you wash your vehicle. Those we categorize as blemishes. It's a blemish in the Poli Glow. And we have products for you to remove those blemishes and reapply Poli Glow and bring back that beautiful shine and that gloss that's boss. And the way you do it is you'd use either Poly Strip or Poly Ox. Now, if you're using Poly Strip, you want to dilute Poly Strip 3 parts to 1. You see how I have the bottle here broken down into 4 parts. You'll fill this up with water to 3 parts water, and then you'll add Poly Strip in here. You'll mist a towel with the Poly Strip, and then you'll wipe the blemish off. Now, you will take off several coats of Poli Glow, but that's the beauty of Poli Glow. It goes on in coats, and you can take off a few coats if you need to, and then you reapply. So if you have some deeper stains or a little oxidation or a scratch in the Poli Glow surface, we're going to show you how to use Polystrip to remove that. You can also use our Poly Ox powder, which is a little bit abrasive, but is great for removing stains, and you can use that with our white scrub pad or our ultrafine sanding pad, which is a little bit more abrasive. Now, when you do use these two products, it will dull the shine a little bit, but you're going to reapply Poli Glow. Poli Glow will blend in with the surrounding area that has Poli Glow on it, and it's going to look beautiful. And again, you're going to use our Poly Mitt applicator to apply Poli Glow in coats. We're going to show you how to do that as well. So these are the products you're going to need depending on what scenario you might find yourself in. The other part of our maintenance and removal process is just your annual maintenance coats. We're going to talk about how to do that. And then finally, at the end of the Poli Glow life cycle is the removal and reapplication process. We're going to show you how to do that as well. So these are some of the things that you're going to need to know in order to take care of Poli Glow. It's very simple. It actually will minimize your work efforts, increase your time with your family and friends, increase the amount of time you spend doing the things that you love to do, because that's what you deserve.